Anyways, happy birthday. I want to say, bro, Charlie, and now when you there, on end up from Kakra, so now you will be good. Oh, there's it. It's in your one so Kakra. Wow, no Casa Fidiato had on with Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Juma. And I was going to say, your friend me, a Jenny Champon Cobina Boating. Over to me, friend Cobina Costi. I brought upon the perfect gentleman. And of course, Matinaje, myself, my team, my wonderful team. Yeah, Giegua. What is it? So, Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, Kobe K, and our face spiking. Yeah, tonight from now to 12 p.m. Yeah, Giegua. Yeah, control the airwaves. Of course, we are the masters of the airwaves between 10 to 12 in these enclaves. We're taking over. So there's one thing I want you to do for us. Guess what? We want you to increase your volume. Increase the volume for us. Boom. We are taxi driver. Give us about 60 bars. That's right. Yeah, give us about 60 bars. Disturb your passengers. Make them feel safe. You then listen to the midweek edition of a Juma with Kobina Costi. And Chakasi and Koma Mr. Oben Fajen. And Koma Fosty of Sam Force Ventures. Mr. Chumesi. And Opemicha Bibi Abako. KNL Fashion. Good morning. Mr. William Beck. Achemasani Penesumame. Bibi Abako. Nash Pabuafi Achemasani with Dumase. I said if one year back up, salute with the Gambia. Nana Yao, Comforts, Daisy, Kate. The natural look beauty salute more Bompire Junction. Good morning, and come on. And halfway, and come on, Bramichael, our SDA Junction. Over corner of Bon Kunyan come upon the sea only with drooping near day. Next you exclusive beauty salutes SDA Junction. And halfway, Mama Hana, the Ajangwa. But now go bing and morning so cajon. I'm bringing it there. And tomorrow morning do breakfast enough. When do foul and me Marie biscuits. And opening breakfast Marie biscuits. Anyways, practice golden season. So I want to say speedy recovery in some coma Kates. My ram and open and I'll say Aseda Beauty Salon. Good morning. Dependable Beauty Salon was CAC Newtown. Emmanuel Amauga. Good morning and come on. And I'll say Charities Fashion. Our Company Junction. DJ Lion our Company Junction. Yaji Bossu Kena Yaji O Yaji. Our Company Junction. Good morning. And come on. After Kwame Taylor, Odo Boss, Master Sari, I want to say, Yankwa Chomadan Government Hospital, Madam Pats, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Alfred Nanajwa. Oh, who knew that? Madam Paz, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Najwa. Sabu said, I don't see and we in the camera. That's it. Any problem, yeah. Yamu baby, I am Anna Maya Mashabungwa, Mate. I just some Mama Vite that would Jubilee Bridge in the zone. Pama dear. Our Jubilee Bridge in this one. Halfway and calls one Bramichael, Bradevi, Apostle, Rauf, MP3, Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Obatampa, Jonathan, and Medeshare, Branche, Ambrose, Richmond, Jerry, Kwakubo Nash, Brakwami, Okasiana, Pierrot. I am one canny driver for the be moving free. me tia bi mun kan che me so muni krom ha bi obi te say tilapia me so ni ha bi me boa mp3 say me tin kan che pa me so no so ni ha bi me boa okay ela kwampo Raouf so kra me tin kan che it so muni ha bi ya tete squad me brain kan che pa. Anyways, and Chayan Crash as a member here on 93.3 FM. And then, as I'm in the wedding, come up, be saying, check. Maybe I'm a tour battle. I'm a casual. Sister, I'm a shadow honey, I'm in Toman and Yadia. Why we day? But then, check, big surprise with us. At Chima Boabo Electra area. You ever shock him in a big announcement, Biba? Watch this space for the big announcements. Watch this space for the big announcements. I won't lie. Achema Boabu Electoral area. Aye. About for bay. About for about for Kenya. About for Shagegi. Anyways, what's the result in 93.3 of Juma mid morning? Good morning and have a blessed and a wonderful day.
The mid morning show. Have a blessed day. blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
1 2 1 2 1 2. Back home. That's right. So 93.3 of and of course it's still live on the radio. It's Wednesday morning. And it's exactly 53 minutes just after the hour 10. And tune in to the best mid morning, as I always used to say. And of course, it is. Yeah, the bragging rights light is on. We have to do this. Anyways, I check the uncrunch. I'll send the baby. What is it? And send your Danny that you work as a video. You make sure say show on crying. This is the reason why we here each and every morning. Send your baby our baby. There be. My baby. Baby, I keep telling you, say, hey, you're before. What they are say? Before, you want to wear Lumba. Tubu na, monka, kuma. Tubu ma, monka, kuma. And you na me ni obi di hun komo say and you na Lumba e cassava en komo ho. So when you are down for din coma, I saw two bonan common a can't coma. What I say, who's a on common with my dear and can't coma, sir? What I say, you didn't come over and tank can't coma, but they on common with dear cacoma. So a cacoma like what Wakuma, your heart. Nothing. Nakuma day, Sabun Makuma, Akuma, your heart, your heart. See your mind. One will share Facebook, who sign us. I will. One will share Facebook, and no, I am common in common. Yeah, young common who would see me dinner car command. Oh, maybe some cars and it may sound offensive. So I will be the posting one of your group. I say your memes be now the posting. It may sound offensive in Timinka. Yeah. Or say get hard or go home. Me repeat you. Yeah. I mean it may sound offensive to others, but the movie there we are okay. Oh yeah, say. But I won't repeat myself again. I'm even sorry I said it. I'm sorry. My name come up here and Sunday the daily dose of motivation is there, bro. You see, so yesterday I told you about Rare House Production, right? Rare House Production. So Rare House Production, a production house they're watching what down Roman saying. And there are a lot of individuals, kids with talent, youth with talent. If I make catch myself, I was surprised. And I was very amazed seeing them the first time. The person or trust scripts sakra. You see, there's this wow factor about the little kid. Yeah, I love them all. And you know, let me tell you this. Natias, you say, I chima down Chrome and say your talent. But can't say which they be from music to acting to football, to cooking, whatever. A Chrome has talent will happen. Make no one lie you. And more being count trust a talent in Gruma. Talent will happen. Make him a banner no more to a jai. A banner say, yeah, acting moving so a jai. And the Siciano, youth are one come one more active movie. Now, I'm especially the city meet country. The city meet country. Why we share, you know, go to their Facebook, their YouTube page. I beg your pardon, on YouTube page. Now, check it out. The City Meets Country, very nice and educative series. Trust me. Now, Kupanya Adama 19th this Saturday. One more launch here of production house, no. And we CAC. They were Jamaica, hona, and a launch, you know, air course. Shannon song say, guest speakers, be a Pastor SKT, Michael Tete, and I said Mr. Michael Tete, aka Sonny Beats, Kwaka City Panel, and I'll say a call Marvel. One more NAA speakers, or I said guest speakers on the 9th. Because I will CAC Newtown. Jamaica Honamna, the Shannon song, say red carpet, a shall see 4 p.m. and the main show or the main event, and so shall see 6 p.m. or the dot. What is a young delay crowd? Performances be free, Joby Popkins, and our first in Shabba Prince. Now, Jumedi team with us, so helping the youth, or sorry, helping to unveil very talents in the youth of the society. Right, so media sponsor, Ahenkan Akan Kasiebo, so what is it? Now they Bosomi FM and so we have one side and sponsors a big sound phones from Pond Enterprise, K Jesse Enterprise and Maryland boutique. Maryland Boutique. And so, now, MCs, myself, Akan Kasiebo, I'll be there, and I'll be Maestro of Community FM. So, my 7 Maestro will be the masters of the ceremony. So, yes, you will have a property. Now, then, call your daily dose of motivations, and as usual, your color studios and to embroidery. And that Romania day and crash us and shall we uncle now you'll find your motivational message, from brushes here. Quick. Okay, alright, so your daily dose of motivations, young crash us this morning. If we are color studios and digital embroidery, as usual, no maybe one other Roma. Almost a commoner. When you tell me what's now, I'm going to show down for one crying, not down for one, one share will be out here and kind of one show one crying. I'm Mamu who says, yo, Vim Day, and the color studios watch him or down Liberty Transport, opposite Kidnap Pharmacy. Why you from I was aha. So I went to MC the I from recently wrong. Now photographer no. And then ready. Now we chat pra. Boss yeah, obi am from you. No put it to one side. Was it ready? Yeah, we see as I like the game. Papa Joe. Yeah, ain't you know? Let's just call color studios now was sorted out. After Saban embroidery works in Tadia Papa Panswa, a Hona, and I won't ever sorted out. Oh, yeah, say. Right, so, what's it? I don't pay. You can't show say. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Follow your passion and create the life you want. I mean, you see, follow back. I say when it takes you follow back again. Your time is limited. Nipa on. I'm very sad to say you need that before as so. You need obia nim eda or the before as so. Even though obi nim eda obi the bass as so. There's a open for your motive could trust can yakajan so obewo ebia 16th November. See I'm not cause I open for being date or bewo meboa. Open for being data. Onin sa on your tafo. Onin pass on your bear man as on your mobile. Onin a particular data about friend members as so. But the sad thing is that onim the exact day sabo friend be free as so. Sana wanga sa utie mso so nim e da be free as so. Etina or say your time is limited. I was as so. Eti idea was so yes don't waste it living someone else's life. Obi wo ha yes samasa ye ni dechin bibia. Yanka say enye you see mama chance ye wo yes samasa eno ye obuo kana life. What they say? Ene wo yes samasa bi one ma because of no curfew kakra obedie die enti. Aha, no na make am say. Yes samasa. Na odi atro. Na nsamanya no kre na o kan fa ne nua ho. Na kakra bia ye be man nti. Favor kakra bi o pe obi nche nti no. Entrosa. Adan me pe favor. Adan me nya favorite. Adan me say you see your uncomfort na omo trans ye hu ze no adea me ye minim da me first as so I should start living my own life. What I say you need to follow your passion and create the life you want to live. And I'm very sure so be any as so I mean the person would want to live a life of follow back. Debbie. And just say I no pay with me me pacho obra bia obo na say life bia obo bia no fashion would trim say was or life our was so very limited wonim da okọ wonim da sebi obe sore no now hell and now heaven entino fiase nde na fiase na ye bibi obra bia opese obo bia no fiase na bo nde dan no kufio dan ufolo nkofo dan wo se nkofo kire nkofo dan se because of bibi kakra wo paint no sabo dan kamati ase yes bibi kakra wo paint no na wo se nkofo kire obi na nyoma enye no kure me se nansinya meti asem bia me buza no se hey yetete nkofo bi sen like asem a obeka fa ho na ye de be hye wo no wo ye den asem na ene wafa. Yeah. Oh, me the be me catch nkofo say me sometimes if I hear certain things I tell you I don't owe anyone explanation. What I say, ye woni pa bia ne nea ogidie ene de on gindi sebe wo ya badwen ba woni munyansa obi ko bi ho asem kyerewa wo be trans na why o mass. Those are this person is not like this. And they put the money pan yes, you get and don't put a different topic for a different day. But me, copy number thing. Whatever you say about me, sanity. And I don't make a draw. Say some guy will tell me say, hey, copy number thing, or come at now say, hey, fantasy. Yeah, me, I will tell you that. The water family will be a fantasy. Yeah. I don't owe you any explanation. Many time because they can't know what you did already. What you say? The only part can what you did that. And I what take you with decision or your action. You are now coming to acts of my side of the story. I don't have time. It be patrol. You want kofwa. I'm live this life no. I then some best because they be a say whatever we practicing over a period of 21 days becomes his or her habits. Yeah. O practice ade bia na just imagine bia o 30 years o 28 o 31 o 32 na why chuki sa o ya yache e be dey so wesesa but when say your time is limited hwe hu yie na fiase e live one kasa life than living a lie what you say e be boa one kasa so these are the leaders of motivation. Let's go for a quick breather. Who's I catch us saying continuing lecture area? One more mujina I am a home cover. Right, so Nanatafa, I am a hunipa. Or my downfall, me canasa, and now for Sasakurata, Honorable Sasakurata, I am my uncle, me of Fankasa, and now for Honorable Masari, and so my father's why my godfather because I mean he knows me, my childhood, and all of that. And also honorable money, incoming honorable money, also happens to be a friend. We grew up in the same area, HD and yada. So today I'll have money on my show. Now you didn't come on yada. Now SDA. I'm going to do more than I had. I'm not gonna lie you. Right, young caught now young brushes here. Now you told me so money is already in the house. Your bat is here.
I swear. Nyamianim no krani say bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Preferland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, mitrima me do. Ah, me wife wa hen. Besini ko Preferland we can see bien. Esan say, bia bia o kopel as what do fie. Bibia bi wo ho. Management no so ya tight. Wo mo nipa mo do. Eni to kra ni Japan. Besini ko Preferland Hotel. Say who di birthday party. Oh worry. Ana ye na de wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Preferland Hotel. Adentia. O car park kesi or baby green grass and kwada diagro kama na ni punu eya kono bi international standard ujali ni na kone safa filter mu punu su ujali a unse yes ujali ni pensio akona ankasa Preferland Hotel o wa dan ya udro bebre asa uju ni bra onya busan benya baby ada na so no kanji mansko no problem ebo no sie ku enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel enyum chiachia so abri bia eninti achum dan manso ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross for mo she ho Preferland Hotel bamamo nanu masem de bia wo kwasia de bia aye pool party esanso e mutual special brabe didi na se dwale Preferland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu ani atere achum dan kwano so na Presby school na chipe fresh 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302 Preferland Hotel Fresisia near Bama.
When we send your police police in Yadro, Imbusaba Mesa, Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabeka.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pediamus Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamua suing Yanano, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form fresh 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Driver, na for me call on body and some herbal clinic. Na me for many coach a massa coca yentia. Obia de ya de ko hono mo a. Won fa ne ya de ensa ba fie bi. Na onya na yaresa.
Wo pani ba si na me fa nko. Na so kwadwo ayaresa. Mo ya de wo mo say ya de bia ha obia wo kwa wo mbesa hwe. Ya de bi ti say stroke, hypertension, fibroid, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility, and asempo. Ujale na wuti wo ho saa, wuti wo ho gria obo wa kuhu mesra ya de aka wa to dem ya de bia help ya wudi kopie mo obo ade nsa wo mu heba clinica won beti ne te say ye yefunu ya de ana wuti pai wuntumi ngo bema ana oba ntumi ngo oba wo ne bema da wo wuntumi nsane wo bema wo de boss wa no agemu ya de be ne ha wo wona se na atatai ana se wa honhono moja broso ana wuni moja wani ase ye fita say ye nkrodo ya de bia help ya obo ade nsa wo mu heba clinic timi say te say ye 100 cedis 120 150 ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis obema ho adura kwa akonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa na se wukoyi folder wukohu doctor ye screening ehunu ba bia ya de ne hye ni nyina ye free mitwika wo krom ha obia formation ya ne ho adanse enko an odie doctor no ya de wa bene kwana kwaja ya lehwe oba de nsa wo mu heba clinic ewo achim odan ada a eben masalachi so mills wonom pe number no 0532333372.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, ain't you obia pemasem? So, would you Juma Shamisa? Mesha say, Usika enco waste. Ain't me Tomino Manina free jump trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensan chain, and Tisawo cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna says, Simouth, Nina, Ubenye be ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan chain, open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editioning, from 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
Ebrenaso, Ghana Premier League 2023-2024 season. This is a soccer season. I'm Pioneer, your best radio station in the East. Ahenkan 93.3 FM at the solid sports presentation and the live commentary every all the league centers. Bro, Shannon Self Frames Oil, Energy on the Go, and then Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Edon Tuma Boma, a few way Ghana Premier League, you know, baby, be a commentary button from no. Yegina Ho, a Frames Oil, and Ahenkan 93.3 FM, and the commentary. Bro, Anuti, so we are driving now perpetual papa, diesel papa, fuel, I would be good. Nedu bakwa jojo, nedu abajojo. Menkwasa engine dia. Frames oil. Yang any affordable product. Say diesel and petrol. Ya wani da form chi wo bia de. Anuti baby be a we shankania wonam Frames Oil filling station per buffalo na go boom Frames Oil energy on the go afeway eye Kumasi Asante Kotoko Metema phobia Accra House of Folk never say down till the bones are rotting. Great Olympics Olimashi Olinkwasong Konson Dreams FC Mediama Football Club any Avufra Aka me say watch out for your sports host Joshua Kwabena Ejanim Ena Kofi Ejiri yeah the live commentary and Bremo live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM Frames Oil energy on the go.
Amanfoe afedie ya 20 sane eya woso awo gas se wo ko gas filling station na wakwa filling sesi ade ya te wo breso eye max gas filling station ya de motokia enenemu ba bia wo bia se wo frɛ na ye beba be fa gas no na ya kwa filling na ya san ede wade abrew emfa ho ede ba bia wo hye ye hia ne se wo be frɛ ye na ye ne wo edin sa wo so max gas filling station ye fill gas no ama na ye ma na ya san so e de wade abrew e wo waboboa no otra razanda ketwa bia mass energy gas filling station ye ne edikan no enti bo modern so be frɛ max energy gas e wa homa so 0558422163 anase 0554391610 max energy gas ya basa ye ba bebo bibiara.
Hey! Akwasi Jadiye. Ujafo ena the car engine ewuo ya esi wodro so fitting shop wo no.
Ah bra, enyo ne kamfu si horse engine oil man no oge ene ne kyerɛ ne kyerɛ. PSA bra, me na masam no akrabato. Yakasa. Se seahorse engine oil no. And no special additive. I ohuru engine mu. E ma ne kyɛ.
Me dwin ho won.
Na via da kra. Ene me ne. E ka ba fie na me fa.
The whole world open quality engine oil. Seahorse and a wash. Say private cars, taxis, commercial and heavy duty trucks.
Enu ti no me kanfo seahorse 15W40 and 20W50. Ama drivers any ka una fo nyina.
Afe motorbike aboboya and a pragiafo no. Mumu de mu hia eye Seahorse special 40 and no and riders and mechanics e wo se mo use you
unua no kure wo mni say Seahorse product and ye papa ane bonso e wo form semi frimu fia e free na kro Seahorse engine oil nko na begu me car engine mu
and ye fra Seahorse for 0244 577 559 and 0240 800 007 Seahorse products
enua.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Ejumo.
Yabo baya, boya yo mo soy.
Right, so 18 minutes after 11. Wazugu's out 93.3 of Right, so Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mason, Chairman Mason, some of fun to any man pay. Say, open your mato, your ma papa. I did die, throw the materials. The patches, our son and what they are. I just say, Oko Tobuka. Or son and what they are, got Tony and some father. What they are saying. And Tibra Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mason, watch him or down. Our company junction or ton cement or ton Nadwa or ton iron rod, POP, plasterboard or ton marine balls near there. Pepper job for 0208123872 and 0244566880. Don Cool Ventures. Now, more mobile eatery, mobile drinking spots, mobile various pubs near there. No, say, Mope baby at ton san. Me patcho mon call Don Cool Ventures. Say me catch us and say when else in Kobe me say me pe wo chom so muni bi. Say bosu wonte Don Cool Ventures ana. Ko obenya bia go ho say na bia ye mu bia ye nim akọ no ye ba obenya wo chini bia mai na afọ yes we timi da preparatory. Tibra Don Cool Ventures ye wholesale and retail of club and Guinness products, sales of soft and non-alcoholic beverages, and our friends, distributors for Casa Precon product, BTC Lombo K20, Black Rock Tonic Wine, Dry Gin, and just about Don Cool Ventures, say, never sold out. In fact, your products are sold at lowest wholesale prices. Check wine, where at Chemodan Sunny Star Plaza, Jubilee Hospital, Abo, Modern Main Road, for 0555-486-990 and 0556-252-668. Don Cool Ventures was a boring differ horses say na also to na yanko from Pond Enterprise na yanko dija. Ade ase yanko dija from Pond Enterprise ma catch yourself from Pond no there baby a opebi a obenye bia to ho ade ase ntineba no macro ahodo nyina obenye bia to from Pond Enterprise. I feel all kinds of cooking oil from Pond Enterprise, all kinds of tin tomatoes from Pond Enterprise, all kinds of toffees next to products nyina detergent ahodo nyina oba from Pond Enterprise abenye bi afenso ya ton drinks musuo na afenso instant dokodoko ni ade nyina oba ya so ya obenye bi ye kira kwan wa chemoda Mandarina Hotel Asiawa and I'll be here afenso ya sanso ewoye cosmetic shopper in Kuna Hudwina Oba a cosmetic shopper Obenye Biato Patroni and Dinkomo 0244-897525026-473-953-0242-111236 Yan Kemuni and Cobrifaland Achim Manso Na Yanko Gieni Odeaze you put two can away. There's a Yagojini, Brickfaland Hotel. Brickfaland was semi fun to them says, so hope will be bad town. Now, Ope baby, I'm an allergy, baby, I'm a feeling quite damn on say yes. What the baby I'm on Yaja, a Brickfaland Hotel. Or and I'm a comfort the amount. Shannon say birthday parties, a jewel hall, birthday banner of a Sabia, Bebuki place now. Aquenya da Yashabra. After we are for we engagements open we in fact all social gatherings be open so the bar for land. Yes, Aquenya da bra. Brana Bayoha, offers your well ventilated rooms, spacious and secured car park. Your Hong Kong say what the car need be see one man. On Green say na kaya park here boys about Chrochrowana. Your co hotel be na your guy in the car on the coin, I can't know how you feel. Now boys are Chocano. Wash me, please. Come on, this is a hotel. We don't do this here. But for called Brickfaland Hotel, we munina a being see what they say because your security near very tight upon. Yeah, mo be a church. Wash me, please. Be an idea. I feel so Sunday be a mutual special and so a cost of Brefaland Hotel, pool party, and so a cost 24/7. Now we see quality music from DJ Shabu and DJ Disease 24/7. We see music, what they say. Shannon song says it's here EP or games in the so wait to free our Brefaland Hotel. Yan GC Kabia brand number games ni free. Friend our 0551187926 and 0507640302. Brefaland Hotel, quality home away from home. Young caught Nelly's haircuts. Now for didn't commercial say Nelly's haircut watch him asane. Nah, they be a catcher say Nelly's haircut so your banana uncle hold that they are Joe. I just say baby how you know. I was say with me to same kakra. What I say. Now what's the boys be break me come because you muti now for a 3 no why some way be. Nah say pimples be near the ABCC mo kwanji. Nah boy the we muti na say rashes ni be good kwanji na ya de back. You need to change your baba. I just say baba no enye. Let's show called Nelly's haircut. Nelly's haircut I watch him asane. Or Assemblies of God Street and so right after Baya Ben Kwamo or na be Nelly's haircut we yin kwara yin penny we chap pen me good well if you wire pen me our bread over say we chat na we check with dia but say mama san can be yeah cut December ma I need 5 ladies yeah I think I need to do that for them what they say ma enum na me do ma koye Nelly's haircut ma ye crowd 7% mu yimuti na mo die na mo ya boy sama na nkwa what say me ma me we unity why ya boy me see one die was there be but me ya me convincing no be die me be call Nelly's haircut na akọ die ni ade a uhun bia na ya rig na she no ufa obetimi tu mama mo feel la uhun ma me na wa bokon ro ni ade ya rig obetimi tu adwane. Remember John Nelly's haircut gentle foster self friend now obefia obetima sort out if you nya oba be tin the man friend 0594158406 0594158406 Nelly's haircut your perfect touch. Now so exactly 24 minutes the count 24 and about 25 so 25 minutes after 11 here on 93.3 of say my catch was in Quantanum lecturer area race in my day, right? Race in my day, I no go lie you. Race in a giddy. Alright, so I have money here. No, I think my sister called me and said, answer na me mami ni ade money. Akwa.
Yeah, me.
Biawoko.
No, me I don't biawoko.
It's the my sister penny friend say no, so the money back. That was not casual because offer me last week Thursday.
Me send me flyer no edit to me status and I say ohun ye. I try me say ni abemo ase. Na so ye problem cost here. Me title can minimum so. Was SDA there? Yeah, sure.
It's offer me Thursday. Anopa. I mean sorry cry. I'm say, hey madam, ejuma adi mami was say, yeah mami. Now say madam no problem. My amount.
I say campaign no biad no hwajim, especially the youth. Yeah. Baby wo ha, I don't know. Obi catch me say me flyer bo amo area. Baby me nko ho ba say me flyer do ho.
Do ho.
I say youth me now for me brain na dem hwajim mo. Amo they trust in the process and then the vision we bring in on.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. And a Sunday and so my mom so kind of same thing share me say.
Okay. Mommy for them so they are when I talk to them and then they see the positive coming in. Yeah.
But me mommy penny do yada up my baby. Yeah, no do yada up. My baby yada up. So Sunday me be free. And I'm do too many. I'm so problem new. It's in your version ya preparate yeah.
Sure.
But what say? SDA Juano and SDA Nkwa. Quantity more Juano Esopa.
A statifi estate be a washing base no one. To Akim State Junction also. Eko Brown Bridge nano. Jodro New Sakumono.
Or dance school kind so a crobisho.
Jai. asumdwe brain brain na echiem
ai sa asumdwe ho no
yeah sure
eduma no so
yeah sure eduma no so nti
so pa
yeah so ya boy ho pa na yeba
right ye din common ya sha se free say we dey na e kan wa o ka se no as a young guy na matenezi ya check akra ma membra na afi one or two things bi na amo makonya me so me nko assembly hobby
me fa kwan research dey kan chia mami any me busia for mo fia mo tie me no bibia o tie me
and now papa the whole papa crowd no
boys
o ko benya o papa do guy
no can behind the scene team no on the team no kakrem ne dey but behind the scene no yeah dom
o papa the whole SD
boys
oh fans bro
ninti me ka say me pese me nye me nko for assembly member position we no yeah first one here waste management and recycling.
Yeah.
My mom here store bi won anim. Nti there was a time my better ade na insure airport nti me de nyoma ko ja no ni fie. Me kwa no aboboa Roberts be bregu ho. No say. Mbusan say na Roberts yi omon hwe na ye den course. They name say insure no na e became the to on so a breeding tontom ya ade.
Yeah.
No say why oboa no na man bi na e be fa. Nti be on so oba 2 months be at 3 months a does on wefa but as a man on ma na me kan say nti se man na wa hasa nti anya and so I okay ma me mbusa me na mfo na they are into those waste management time you school na or share me company bi wo tema na me try say ni say o me area nti me try letter but me no am can say me as in person me ba akwa me no man but they will not pay good attention to me but say bia me ye be a company bi wo na say government appointee bi na say assembly man bi na say visa I'm say okay nti mba na mbe chetem say extra minister efieska
okay
no say okay ene ye nko ni say and I started this assembly member position make inquiries we small say na enyo ma me nko a ofu be bre and one thing na me hu ya me shim kakra say bebre na prepare we a amoboa no na machine no fie some from my zoom line for my jomuska it's a problem
if your my grandma's hand way
intino enu say nko fa adwini so but a very difficult adhere for ozone layers nko fa adwini so intino fan say mami no easy on kwa be 10 years ade na which they are more than inti also say it is creating an alarming thing but to be adwini so inti ye me kubusa make no so inquiries with zoom line for near the no because they are doing their work am the it does mean the issue but they don't patronize us and for you and of course on reason there I was there adam one share a free na mean some first come say be fa na conversion so this one what you do is say you educate them, you give them more reasons why they don't have to bend their refuse na mo for resume line they will need education on that nti eno say no you drop planner you be to one more you educate them we team up with Zoom Lion and then they do that waste management thing
right so aside Meridi or manifesto no?
Sure.
So aside one or two things your main motive is the recycling project and then my friend is saying waste management and so
yeah my main target near sa recycling no
okay
because enya ma me nkwa na boba Roberts anu SDO mofo ebre and then this recycling thing no, when the company come on board it is not going to be only in quantum people almost say as time goes on no say etimi g intia
bit by the whole
old town for eba new town for ababo for eba what I say obi ade no dey eba Roberts kakra wa am the scale eba obi weigh obi a 1 kilo 2 kilos am try to obi a we need price you say obi crampo ha they say tamana compram kana am bituma boebo na obi wo ha oboebo na odi ni kilos ni doors na obe diska ni boom
oh okay ya nyabotana trust ye say nyame ya domina company if they come on board and you say wow Roberts ni bi ofini ye be jack free but then ye be ma some sort of
yes I won't be creative 5 jointer the same fan say SDM am fa SDM yes of course I want into SDM na me pay one joint or SDM for say bi obi wo Roberts anu what dey ba obi we am the skill na mo into bi onya 2 kilos am ne boy say of course scan mu nye do but obo anu a it's me queen
it's my baby
sure
right now away from waste management and also the recycling project SD most of the times you struggle with lights street lights near the offer bypass hono they call almost say hona abemu say bemu ohonya light ni ho pole cry bi ni ho
on say this street light issue no me pese me attack obi on it but on say this is the community we are all trying to raise up with. Light ni ha obia hu say bia light ni ha na say yen first camera na say you ka so discuss straight na a problem because onim ni ntia asa we ka say asan man ho ne man say but and I make can say educate them, give them more reasons for so say hani na net say ka say trains are bind the bulb be fi akraba it can also be say ekufa do konim kan say baby we friend kwantenu ya so nim say bia or down or but we no we be onim inti ka say train say aban anasa something man enko g light mra e bia but e bia na obi come be fan ho I ran no phone we don't give them more reasons why they have to come on board and then do that. Sure.
Right. And yen share CCS on and continue SD now yen other side of continue lecture area teacher common over side and so there are places amako honso are light issues and so and again I read in your manifesto about I think road management.
Yep.
Near there, one issue and answer one big problem again. A road when it comes to SDA. In Suotoa, baby I favorite SDA bianye. So before WSI, or before EPO, and now before the main road to SDA baby bianye. And you say yenye hwehwe. Kofa ye hu bibia but still the eternity. What idea different? Idea be different oba no oba be the aboa.
This road issue no Mikaya obinya kape na ebesim tumi first mami could di job friend pon ho na obefi unso fa drop him driver needs to know pencils so then o say ekwan ntumi
onto aso ejapaye ni mo
osi mami ho na
ejapaye ni mo de anya ho de anya kra ejapaye ni mo
ni ye degu ayi so a ye be ni say you will get a full team, a team of 20 right now you 7 I'm tifi am on hwe sorry say me can't say but man be so what I said I say I'm here a lot of question you talk to him and no chance say oh no need ma bia into so we wan hwan no na wakoton na nti right now no ne kind say or say on ne call from 7 in ka say you a team of 20 by you 7
minimum 7 nya me bom ni dia minimum nya
nti no makasa said see the person nti am be full members of road management say you call baby atutu you call fail say akwan no amuni team na amon beko nti say in say Jojo ho na bia photos bia na amon me banti area mu ho fo no mo na mo abeka mo ho na maye obu a abeka say oh me ko baby nti minya ho but me was speed bi wo me shibaro bi wo ha monje nti no do na metro dia to say o ma me shibaro o ma me we na de ejuma no ne aye on say ekwan ni bi wo ho a say anka ye tu ye ni hwe ni ntema anka nya kese Pentecost sorry na won kwantenu B plaza anymore on say asphalt on say 82 am obi ajima so but ebe kese afina kese na afina asay kra nti sa we no any unit committee members no ebe signal say if you say every month every Saturday of the month no you know say you say ye mpatem ye nti before that first Saturday of the month member no na nim say ye ko ha nso ye ko ye say ejuma we that's how the team will work
right
nti say ye ba in kwantanum Pentecost so then ma you nim say ye be ye sa photos no ejuma nti before ye Saturday be do no ya kwa scout ye say okay we no say ni say ne be ye nti ye be hia den me the mean for any say me dim butum scan be but team no all hands on deck okay this area I have say bibi say ne wa nti ye pese ye meye ho adwuma nti so wo bibi abeka ho a obi wa grandpa oni scout be support it but that day no ba be jan chen no abon kon say o bon komo ye adwuma woni so no ye all hands on deck say ka say ye train say enfis from bra ebeche so give them more reasons why they have to come on board and then work and then one thing so me can say this team no how they are gonna pay I'm being a sky, you say baby to can say no. Need now be the people and then recycling na mechanic. Mu and no the person can be brave for now because you are 80% done. Oh, okay. Into no cut 20% be no on say some permissions be near that also go through all that. Into no ye no ye. Oh, and ntina mean person me can ni na fully no. But sa ni ewie ni de me kan and the Americans in music go say ewie.
Sure. Now, me pass a free SDO because SD honum there. Me sure can papa influence alone. About me ama wafa SDA.
Boys.
Yeah, because papa could squad in the SDA pan. Now, you free SDA. Yanko asumbi yanko ada hoside in yaka home this a common honum no ejuma say na why honum ma be man kofo no wo hon be hu say money eba yentoma no.
Yeah. So concerning the ada, I say ada hono e krumu a
eso pa
ada na me kwa na mu say na say na na me say me twem kwa na mu say hono kwa me ka say be a company ba ku bi na say o
urem a
e krumu a
he back me kra o
na minim ada na me kwa me say say na hat here hustle into this other thing me pay my pep unit committee member back ho
okay
I no be handle hono into be any na say problem bi one say problem bi wa not necessary say asema ni mbrem ho na with me I gather some phone calls bi na maso no ho na answer cry na escalate abasro what just here into na ho no me make sure say unit committee members no man form fa ko me fa bi other ho no fa bi jodro fa bi infiuna no brim bridge na no
asumbi ho
na ba ko SDM ba ko Akim State
okay what cha baby
se ne be ya nko say obi ha we ka say na ye toma mo a ye ntimo nkam biem ade say 4 years biem so ya say eno no plan ni say senia ya de flyers abombo abonten na se mo ntoma yen no yeah we have plan and you say we have plan say you make sure say your numbers be available unit committee for my catch from say na be me the telephone number be kan ho flyers na atale if not every house majority of them say na be a obi here bibi na say bibi kosu na say nko yi a onim number offer onmu pa ko offer say bia ewo ada ho a onim say ada nipa ni into offer no on say ni be say bia pipe oh baby obu a onim number offer onyankwa report but onim number offer but obi adwini say pipe na pipe ha mo na say egu from kwa mo sa le ni na amo chesa aka no gumu so ben go for adwini so because amo pipe mo ndai and so say egu from no na mu le ni no amo cheka na
egu ya so
egu na mo so it's right now no wo number oni so te jodru a stick ane bo onye se ofie kwa ebe be bia behu we are hoping say binya sikase be bribe bo efie bia because sinyame na say winia your first meeting na efie rafo no bia na be chest stickers am better than mo fie
okay
numbers wo so emergency numbers bia no afre no anga be fan
right nice and potholes so insense mo ade ni nya ya under road management
na any squad na so bit no serving
oh me bo mo nye
amo de hon de me catch from no matter say na mo say they are ready to handle that
nice
what I say me try say for the start no of course difficulties of them need to be a bit me car but as time goes on me project show na me try say no they were cool with it.
Now, Sena, na can be about committee members no, but based on what you said, not just no money cool.
Yeah, committee I had 5, but 5 no. I say I need more. Until me faster if you so if you want to join my team, then although you will be. Obuha obana only didn't come out and say, hey, akwawe or be can one. It be easy fan. Nyansa no, and I say easy to work with the person. Yeah, sure. Although you need 5 no, but my catch on say. For now, you are the people that I'll be working with. So, but as time goes on, when you get someone, they say me bra or can committee members, no. But when you just say you better make kind say okay, let me someone change. But looking at 1 or 2 reasons, please let me insert this person and then we go or better say they are the people I can talk with freely. Yes, sure.
Right. So 93.3 of WTA live or SD and Sundri and news are common on Quantenum. In fact, in Quantenum lecture area, as I remember, hopeful money and yenino edin common and when I'm the guy no me and Casano Munina we have a home cover. It no baby I met work on it depends on your manifesto and I've read yours quite interesting yes and 1 or 2 things I can cancel so there to assume squad 7 and on my boy mama omo dey unya we ni more we dey omo call come for her what has it
I say I me pay almost because me catch no na I say ade amonam on ni adwuma biaye ndi say insu antona anhwe amagata mu ammo ankoyesa nkoton na on say insu to baya bia police for njano insu to ho a on say epia abo mi gulo rekwanim obi ampra I just said cars na faswa I will say pay attention san hwea no amoton it my say aboa no nti bia ensuna ahwena pia me group barrier ho na it my say abo no akofeli portal so news akomo no
na sa squad no mama warning because baako no the picture wo menim sisi alo o se sa ezi ahwea no o dey press na gamma pa John Thomas squad iti ono de man warning pa
ta na meet you now see obi ho a wa yard na de ni nti o ka so nja ya o ni ja be den na meet you na can visa and of course obi ho a wa yes ade we for 30 years and one day na because o nja no be ja ba e bia as time go obi ja be e be check aka
e be check pa because ono de obe twesa okahona eyi ho na tom no ejapa ye ni mo no ozo ho na tutum pa
o taken no do
na so no maka no odi a na modi matem
yeah sure
na mo ya no
yeah sure and then there are so many things you're bringing on board that it is not in the manifesto but I feel like it is petty things that we don't have to brag with say back manifesto to say yeah you know my brother is well established in this road safety thing right yeah. So for him he has an application those with cars no he will put you on board our link be app be a bit detect say be our time as also change engine oil road safety or road worthy man driving license near that everything about car there me bra say money I think say or be fast aspect no and you know of course I do photography as well
sure
your planning say anka every year be this American lotteries now I am winning free no I say it is free registration you're free but picture no most of the time obu obey but na picture in fact so
onya the exact size
yes age man
right
and it will be free for inquantenum people me call for no
okay
we can free am
favoritism
every year be every and then yeah
but the exact size
yeah they are my people and then I'll be doing that for them and then one thing that me madam for you for dia or MC okay you would like to for the youth especially MCs you raise we want 20 MCs wedding I say MC engagement as those things no yeah so and in your planning I wo you be training them into otifie this madam for be judge or you na say about ofie at least or this MCA na we can be or be programs we are connected all those things no so and content website nina but I don't know yemfa ma ayade obeye ntina
but still I was say what come am obi te say nyame adomo na yema kwanse kwasamla this some of the things you be doing what they say because SDA what through they be American SDA because ohona me and I know the boys there lot of them are into IT
yep
SDA boys ne there Brena IT boys and one so ultimate can say we not set I mean this is a plus for them
so you create a channel be obit me aton on your macro so that they say in quantenum I say you starting now you will not use the whole that you best start if you bottom 50
right
you best start in quantenum first na you say we obu oni store but obutre oton tade oton nyoma you give them a platform on best sell until you find from the bond quantenum on him say hairdresser we ni nyumo ye ni we opma de na ye ni number bibia ho
nice
no afen na kasa e bia draft store we obitma from more fragile ho me ni bi dan so be nanti akodu ho always me na afen na so nanti akofi
nice
all those things no ye be but no ni manifesto ni e ade I know ye be
right yeah call we final words na ema continue lecture area wo mu nyina hu say no say money ba ejuma no oba fe pa
me final words are make catch in content people ni say Saturday can say you say me a big fan of Saturday I say it's good to teach a man how to fish than say they be feeding no I say this recycling thing no Robert's now amutugu no I'm with me anya bibi wo ho a jomo teach a news a station you teach you a new market one Robert's with me they be say ultimate mobilize if you nya 1 kilo 2 kilos near there na last time goes on who bit me mobilize no nti amu me dey am kan say am humobo na mo ntuma me na me ntuma me a me wo enyuma pa say e dey mo apart from the role I play as assembly member no these are some of the things that I will add up I say me the spice as a spice in the gum no nti am humobo na mo ntuma no na ye go so e ba campaign nti no senia aya ye ba fe bi ma amogye no I'm going to answer and say, me bomb pie say, I'm going to stretch me no. I'm going fast here now and to mommy. Because fear delegates view him to so I tell you.
What you say?
Well, no stress. Okay, my friend. Yeah, sure.
All right, so 93.3 of I would say Solomon Money. When some member hopeful for a Achim or down in Quantenum electoral area, and I tell in Kano they want to two things. I'll say Oba or ye boy what touch on a waste management, what touch on recycling project, and also street lighting, 1 or 2 road maintenance being there, which and then the essential problems are most of these areas FAC pan and Quantum baby as a waterlog area and the doors with to SDN Sakomon on the and yet how can but what touch on all these things is about waiting me up one man no makoye. Intino, Yabadawasi.
Sure.
And we hope say 19th December.
Yeah, 19 December.
Yes. So we are praying say e bedu na fe bibia timato tona komu ye na obi akoto we who say Otwama Solomon money. Na bibia timi akoso kama pa. Right. So ye bedin common so chire. Mr. Study the better times am ya we. The better times better man di osana me kasai. I'm say Mate. Yes, madam. When you who call me, no, madam, the pressure bar. So 93.3 of I Solomon Money and it didn't come on. And you know, I'll wait no reactions in the of 0533898915 0533898915. Now for your proper check. Once again, hey, at upon his sending me, baby, mammy, me proper check. Yes, Miss Makubudi, but I know this sending. Okay, so I say happy birthday and for Enkoma rejoice. Oh yeah, Achim Abu here Ubi Shaddai recently. Oh Abu peace down. It's a happy birthday and for Enkoma rejoice. And again, happy birthday so Enkoma Minya Kwesiche Prince Kwesiche Mr. Che Prince. I may ask sometimes maybe Mr. Can with you, but anyway, you'll find this Alright, so I'm catch us here because okay. You go to see I'm in a shabu and the babusia and then Mr. and the boards and the babusia over and the Yankopon Aya Doma Kofi Maradona. Nyame adoma Kofi Maradona. Was me fan to bibiara nim say nyame eya adoma. 17th 18th November. And yesie ne grandfather your friend of Bafo Owusu apia and now Achim Wenchi Sana Hene. Kofi Maradona yeba ayaze yeba na 19th no amakona sia sorry we Ebenezer Presby and that's why Achim Wenchi wa many Shaboni boys na kanyina ye ni Kofi Maradona ye be hiem we Achim Wenchi ayaze yeba mo twen yom pra prechire kra.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Always send a man about man upon home. Oh, yeah, travel no pay. I don't pay Angasa. I don't pay Angasa me mood in a free friendly mood. Why don't hope a bed now? Why don't hope a bed now? Why will say yes? The mood in a free friendly mood and if we shake a reason means three. In Serene.